Good morning. I would like to welcome President Zabist, Madam Shanaz Wazir Ali, Vice President Academics, Professor Dr. Muhammad Altaf Mukati, Vice President Admin and HR, Mr. Imtiaz Qazi, Vice President Finance, Madam Nasreen Haq, Chief Guests, Deans, and heads of all other universities in attendance today. My name is Muhammad Shahir Siddiqui, the Masters of Ceremony for today's prestigious event, Zabi Fest 2025. Again, I request everyone to please settle down and turn off your phones to silent mode. I would now like to request Dr. Khalid Rashid to come up and recite a few verses from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم وصدق على رسوله النبي الكريم.
Jazakallah. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise as now the national anthem of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan will be played. Please settle down. I would like to now call upon stage the head of the Mechatronics Engineering Department, Dr. Faraz Junejo, to come up on stage and give the welcome note for this year's Zabi Fest.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. Very warm welcome on behalf of Faculty of Computing and Engineering Sciences as well as Zabist Senior Management. I would like to have a special thanks to Mr. Gibran Jamshed, who is heading Microsoft in Pakistan, and as well as Zuhair Javed, who is co-founder and head of product Myco. And Mr. Zuhair happens to be an alumni of CS department back in 2007 as well. So just to give you a very brief intro into what Zabi Fest is all about, this year around we have got 26 modules, and for each module, to begin with, around 1200 participants registered, and after thorough evaluation for last week, which is happening since 14th of May, we have rounded them up to 500 individuals who will be competing in the final rounds. So, and about its inter-university competition, so we have got guests coming over from all over Karachi. There are 12 universities who are participating in this event, such as Habib University, DH Sufa, Sir Sayyid University, Bahariya University. So we have got, Alhamdulillah, people coming over from all over Karachi. Uh, just to be very specific regarding the theme of the event, the whole idea is to celebrate the innovation of our graduates. It's their ability, what they have got, and how they can showcase it. We will also like to thank special thanks to Department of Auric, who have been very helpful in organizing of this event. And through them, we have been able to identify venture capitalists. And last year, we have established incubation center, in which 5 of the projects that were selected from last year's ZIB Fest have been nurtured into startups. So, Alhamdulillah, ZIB Fest is a very nurturing ground for Auric and for the innovation. With that, I would like to conclude that please participate with the hope of learning and pushing the barriers rather than winning or losing, because it's all about showcasing your skill and getting the confidence that you will need as a professional. So thank you very much, and with that, I will be concluding my remarks. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Fraz. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to thank the sponsors for this year's ZABI Fest. The sponsors are HRM Waterfront and Auric. Before we move further, a corporate video will be played that has been compiled by the hard-working organizing team of this year's ZABI Fest.
President ZBFest 2025 ZBFest को 10 साल मुकम्मल हो चुके हैं, जिस पर मैं फैकल्टी ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग एंड इंजीनियरिंग साइंसेज को मोबाइल में पेश करता हूँ। इन 10 साल की जर्नी में डिफरेंट चेंजेस आते रहे हैं। जो इवैल्यूएशन पहले पेपर पे होती थी, दैट हैज़ बीन ऑटोमेटेड. Not only ZBFest a student from different university all over Karachi can participate and become the part of this time. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shamil, General Secretary of ZBFest 2025. ZBFest is an academic and technical event जो कि कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से कराया जाता है. अराउंड 30 प्लस कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं, जिसमें 20 प्लस यूनिवर्सिटीज पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं. ये एक स्टूडेंट्स को एक ऐसा कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल इन्वायरमेंट प्रोवाइड किया जाता है जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स अपनी स्किल्स को एंड अपने आइडियाज़ को शोकेस करते हैं.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Fayaz Faisal, the General Secretary of ZBFest 2025. Basically ZBFest करवाने का हमारा मकसद ये था, जो कि अब ये मकसद बन भी है, कि स्टूडेंट्स जो FYP के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो एक्सटर्नल एवेल्यूएटर्स और इंडस्ट्रियल स्पेशलिस्ट से इंटरेक्ट कर सकें, वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में उनसे डिस्कस कर सकें और ऑब्वियसली उनको आगे प्लेटफॉर्म्स मिल सकें कि वो अपने आप को डिस्प्ले कर सकें इस मामले में. और फिर इसके बाद जो मॉड्यूल्स जो कॉम्पिटिशन्स वगैरह हम करवा रहे हैं, इसका बेसिक मकसद ये है कि आप अपने स्किल सेट को चेक कर सकें. और ये ना सिर्फ ज़ाबिस यूनिवर्सिटी की हद तक महदूद है, बल्कि ये डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऑफ कराची उनके लिए भी ये प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन है कि वो आएँ, अपने स्किल सेट को शो करें और ZBFest का पार्ट
I am pleased to invite you to join hands with Zabist for the most awaited mega event organized annually by the hard-working faculty members and students of the Computing and Engineering Science Department of Zabist. As Dr. Faraz Junejo said, ZabiFest has been organized to promote excellence in the field of computing and engineering, where our students display their final year projects under the supervision of their faculty heads to showcase their level of talent and creativity. ZabiFest provides a perfect platform for students both at Zabist and other universities, namely FAST, PF Keet, Habib University, Muhammad Ali Jinnah University, DHA Sufa University, Behriya University, ICRA University, Beacon House College, and Zabist campuses Larkana, Gharo, and Hyderabad to showcase their talent by participating in numerous exciting competitions and engineering activities where participants have a chance to win cash prizes, certificates, and shields. To ensure strong representation from Zabist Karachi, we conducted qualifier rounds from 14th May to 21st May 2025 for 6 modules. Over 1,200 students participated, with approximately 200 to 250 students per module. Following a rigorous evaluation process, 120 students from each module have been selected to compete in the final rounds of the main event. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute honor to introduce a true pioneer in the world of technology and education. With over 20 years of experience, including an impressive 7-year journey at Microsoft, our next speaker has played a key role in shaping the global EdTech ecosystem. He has led groundbreaking international projects in hybrid learning, automation, secure campuses, and large-scale skills development. As the country manager for Microsoft Pakistan and the head of Microsoft Education across Central Asia, he oversees critical operations in some of the region's most dynamic markets. An award-winning leader, a passionate community advocate, a globally certified trainer in AI, cybersecurity, cloud, and change management, he continues to inspire both industry and academia. Please join me in welcoming to the stage Mr. Gibran Jamshed.
Assalamu alaikum ji. Guys, I hope I am audible at the back. Perfect. Honorable Madam President, executives from Zabist University, industry, dear students, colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a matter of pride and privilege to be standing here in front of you. Education and technology is part of my daily routine. So I frequently interact with academia and with students as well. And I always tell people when I go back to my work that this is a place where I drive all my energy to learn and do new things. I'm really happy to see all of you here in this room today. And ZAB eFest, which I learned very recently about, looks like the Olympics of technology happening here right in Karachi, where you have got dozens of universities, hundreds of students participating. I don't want to take a lot of time. I know it's a very busy and a packed day. I just want to touch base on 3 things, right? And the last time I was here, and I'm turning out to be a very frequent visitor at Zabist now. Last time I was here was just 1 month ago, on April 24th. And that was a dialogue which was happening between us and the faculty and the industry. और उसमें एक चीज़ पे हमने बार-बार बात की. Excuse me. मैं उस चीज़ पे बात करना चाहूँगा. I just want to talk about 3 things. The least important for me to share is what Microsoft is doing in education. उस पे भी बात कर लेंगे 2 minutes. Then something which is very important, how do we see future as technologists? But something which is very fundamental and I want to start my talk with is the power of culture. इस पे I think जितनी बात की जाए उतनी बात कम है. I would not take a lot of time. But मैडम के साथ भी उस दिन यही डायलॉग हुआ कि कल्चर क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है. And I think today what we are seeing is something which is out of context and out of school books. And this truly reflects कि एक बड़ा strong culture है इस organization का, which is promoting readiness, which is promoting passion, curiosity, and creativity in learners, right? which is trying to give opportunities to different people to come, network and connect together, to think out loud, to think out of the box. और यही करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. कल्चर में जो सबसे ज़्यादा आज किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट देखी जाती है, वो ये देखी जाती है हाउ पीपल कैन वर्क टुगेदर. बिकॉज आप आज किसी भी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में चले जाएं एंड व्हेन यू अप्लाई फॉर लीडरशिप रोल्स, जो आपका बिल्कुल आखिरी सिलेक्शन का क्राइटेरिया होता है, एंड दैट इज़ डन बाय द टॉप बॉस ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हेन दे आर इवैल्यूएटिंग द लीडर्स. दे आर नॉट चेकिंग यू ऑन योर स्किल्स, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ट्रस्ट मी. When you are applying for any leadership role at any Fortune 100, 200 company in the world, they are checking you, are you a cultural fit or not? और जो cultural fitness है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है किसी के लिए भी. So if I am a student, right, मेरे लिए what does that culture really mean? 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो मेरी हमेशा से learning रही है. Always remain curious, right? What is next? कभी बैठे नहीं जगह पे. वो जो कंप्लेसेंसी है ना, वो इंसान को बहुत पीछे कर देती है. सो क्यूरियोसिटी है तो आप आज यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, वरना इस रूम में जो 100, 150, 200 बच्चे होंगे, दे आर क्यूरियस, दे आर हियर. बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं हु आर नॉट क्यूरियस, दे आर नॉट हियर. सो यू आर ट्राइंग टू डिफ्रेंशिएट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द कॉम्पिटिशन, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल ग्रेजुएट यू विल फेस द कॉम्पिटिशन. एक जॉब, उस पर 1000 एप्लीकेशंस, 2 जॉब्स, उस पर 10,000 एप्लीकेशंस एक बड़ी कंपनी में. वाई यू, वाई नॉट हिम, वाई नॉट हर? दैट्स द फर्स्ट पार्ट. जो कल्चर ऑफ लर्निंग है बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज पीपल कैन ईजिली क्रिटिसाइज एकेडेमिया. इट्स वेरी ईजी टू क्रिटिसाइज यूनिवर्सिटीज, टीचर्स एंड द कोर्स बुक्स एंड द कॉन्टेंट कि जी 20 साल पुराना पढ़ा रहे हैं, 10 साल पुराना पढ़ा रहे हैं. पर आपको पता है कि व्हाट इज the demand of the market, right? Market किस तरफ जा रही है? What is needed as the future technology skill set? So you are adult individuals. जो आपकी learning का road map है, जो आपकी learning का charter है, उसके direct beneficiary आप ही हैं. बाकी तो secondary और indirect beneficiaries हैं, जो लोग आपके साथ हैं आपके घर में. उसके पहले और direct beneficiary आप हैं. And if you really understand कि मार्केट में एक टेक्नोलॉजी की बात हो रही है जिस पे पाकिस्तान में नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा, या हर यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा, या मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं पढ़ाया जा रहा, सो नथिंग इज स्टॉपिंग यू टू गो ऑनलाइन एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग अ कोर्स ऑन दैट वन. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ ऑल ऑफ अस लर्न. जो हम आज यहाँ पर खड़े होकर बात करते हैं, तो क्या हमने 20 साल पहले जो ग्रेजुएशन या मास्टर्स किए थे हम उसकी बेस से बात करते हैं? ऐसा नहीं है. हमने आखिरी कोर्स अपना 5 दिन पहले कंप्लीट किया होगा. एंड हु इज़ टीचिंग अस? वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूनिवर्सिटीज टू सीक दैट नॉलेज. We are going online to seek that knowledge. So it's a hybrid world of learning. And third thing which is very important for anyone is, it falls for every and anyone in the room. Please try to embrace and learn from your failures. Fail fast and move forward. आज यहाँ इस पोडियम पे कोई भी एक ऐसा शख्स आके नहीं खड़ा होगा, बिकॉज सारे वो लोग आएंगे जो आपको लगेगा ये बहुत सक्सेसफुल हैं, और वो किसी पैराशूट से लैंड नहीं हुए थे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में या एक स्टार्टअप में या किसी लीडरशिप रोल पे. दे हैड स्ट्रगल्स, दे हैड फेयर शेयर ऑफ फेलियर्स, बट द ओनली थिंग इज दे केप्ट मूविंग ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. आई टेल यू वन थिंग, probably you are thinking and trying to get inspiration from me. You don't have to, because I was not able to get an admission at FAST and Zabist. I wanted to be at these universities, नहीं मिल सका मुझे admission. So अब उसके पीछे एक पूरी स्टोरी है, the way education system works. पूरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट थी जिसमें सारे A और A स्टार थे, एक फेल लगा हुआ था, and nobody in the college examination board was able to justify it. So when you have an F grade on your transcript, big universities are not taking you. चाहे वो नहीं आना चाहिए था, गलती से आ गया है, मिस्टेक हो गई है, ऑपरेशनल एरर है, पूरा करियर जो है, इट कैन स्टिच योर एंटायर करियर. पर ऑप्शंस क्या हैं उसके बाद, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्या हैं कि ठीक है जो एडमिशन उस वक्त मिला उस एक प्रॉब्लम की वजह से उसको लो, उस पर आप आगे चलें. एंड देन आई लैंडेड एट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेलबर्न. कंप्यूटर साइंस का प्रोग्राम टॉप 20 में था उसका. सो आई हैड नो आइडिया कि हम किस तरफ जा रहे हैं. बट द ओनली थिंग विच आई कुड कंट्रोल वॉज माई इमोशंस एट दैट टाइम, एंड द ओनली थिंग वॉज कि जी आगे किस तरह से बढ़ते जाना है. When I graduated, came back to Pakistan, 6-8 महीने, 1 साल, I was finding jobs. I was trying to find jobs in the top IT companies of Pakistan. I would not name any company. मशहूरी start हो जाएगी. I wanted to land there. Giving in interviews day in, day out, not getting any appointment letter. And then I never kept giving up. And the appointment letter came from Microsoft. Wow. जिसका मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि पाकिस्तान में ऑफिस है. एंड एक्सीडेंटली आई लैंडेड इन दैट कंपनी 18 साल पहले. इट वॉज अ स्मॉल टाइनी कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल रोल विच वॉज गिवन, जिसको सितंबर में मिला और जून में उसने ख़त्म होना था. पर एक दफ़ा अगर आप घुस गए किसी जगह पे, देन आई थिंक आप जो है ज़रूरत बन जाएं उस इदारे की, उस कंपनी की. और वो आप कैसे करेंगे? यू हैव टू क्रिएट एन इम्पैक्ट. एंड आई हैड नो आइडिया कि आफ्टर 15 years आई वुड बिकम अ रीजनल लीड एंड दिस एंड दैट. सो ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज एवरीबडी हैज़ अ स्टोरी, एंड द रीज़न आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर इज कि फेलियर्स जो हैं अब आने स्टार्ट होंगे. द ओनली थिंग इज जो एडवर्सिटी कोशेंट है उसको हाई रखना है. सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट थिंग ऑन द कल्चरल पार्ट. 2 चीज़ों में बात करना चाहूँगा, और एक 5th इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन है. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सिटिंग इन द रूम यू आर डूइंग योर डिग्रीज इन कंप्यूटर साइंस? द अदर फोक्स बिजनेस और व्हाट? इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस, बिजनेस, राइट. सो द आइडिया is कि आप इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर साइंस कर रहे हैं, and you are having a tech project and you are doing a tech conversation, you are sitting in the right room. Because 5th industrial revolution is again all about the technology. 3rd industrial revolution was all about the technology. 4th industrial revolution was all about the technology. 5th industrial revolution is also about the technology. How many of you sitting in the room are part of these teams who've done the projects, right? आप में से कितने लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है या उस टीम का पार्ट हैं इस वक्त जो यहाँ पे बैठे हैं? नो हैंड्स अप. सो सर ये प्रोजेक्ट टीम्स नहीं है या ये दूसरे बच्चे हैं? अच्छा, वो एग्जीबिशन में. ओके, क्लियर, विच इज़ फाइन, फेयर इनफ. पर इवेंचुअली आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे. टुडे, टुमारो, डे आफ्टर, इस साल, अगले साल आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे. एंड इफ दैट project is not embracing the technology of 5th industrial revolution, for us that project, and for industry that project is obsolete. अगर मैं उसको आसान लफ्ज़ों में explain कर दूँ, 5th industrial revolution is all about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will be the backbone of any software, any piece of code which will be written. Now, हो सकता है शायद मेरी बात से समझ में ना आए, जो typical SaaS model है softwares का, that is going away, that is fading away. And world is moving to agentic, AI-driven, software agents-driven pieces of code, where machines are independently and autonomously doing and handling the task, right? So आप अगर आज कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं या प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं या किसी आइडिया पे काम कर रहे हैं, please don't do something which was done 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 5 years ago. Industry doesn't need it anymore. What industry needs is the future outlook of that technology. And कभी भी आप कोई काम करते हैं, whenever you're trying to solve any problem and you're trying to create that kind of a startup or anything, और आपका rubric बड़ा interesting है, I went through this startup evaluation rubric. It's quite comprehensive, right? उसमें एक चीज़ का ख्याल रखें, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि प्रोजेक्ट बहुत बड़ा हो या बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो तो ही वो एक सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट होगा. If it can create meaning for someone, if it can solve a problem for someone, technology के through आप कोई use case achieve कर लेते हैं, that for me is a successful project. Let's take an example. जाकर किसी online अभी news पे CAL AI, CAL AI नाम की एक application के बारे में देखिएगा. आजकल पिछले 1-2 महीने से उस पर बड़ा trend हो रहा है. 2 teenagers who are high school students, right? They have created this application. People in the West, they are very conscious about calorie intake, right? And when you will reach my age, you will also be conscious about that. So what these kids have done, they understand market की एक requirement है. लोगों ने calories देखनी है, track करनी है. So for example, if you offer me a piece of cake, यहाँ पे लाके कोई cake रखता है, तो वो application उसकी तस्वीर खींचती है, और because AI already knows, AI के models की training हुई भी है इन चीज़ों के ऊपर. It takes a picture, it passes back to the AI model, and it brings in front of you कि जी ठीक है, cake है, तो इसमें possibly ये ingredients होंगे और इसमें इतनी calories होंगी. And if you're having that, that application can do the calorie count. Probably a project जिसकी technical complexity सिर्फ इतनी सी है कि वो इस यूनिवर्सिटी का भी कोई बच्चा बना सकता है, अगर एक हाई स्कूल का स्टूडेंट US में बैठ के उसको बना सकता है. And that project is generating multi-million-dollar revenue for these two young kids, right? It's a very simple project, but at the end of the day, it is solving a problem, it is based upon the latest technology, and it's creating a use case for everyone. So similarly, whenever you are trying to do something, please try to do it in a way जहाँ पे उसकी आपको relevance मिले और आप अपने आप को sell कर पाएं उस चीज़ को. That is my message. And the very last thing which I want to touch very quickly in the interest of time. जिस तरह Zab eFest, it's a great platform. So we as Microsoft, we have also shared some of the platforms which are widely available for student and faculty. So tomorrow they can be adopted by any university. At a lot of universities, these are underutilization. I'll give some quick examples. एक Microsoft का student ambassador program है. A lot of people come and ask me कि जी internships मिलेंगी. So we do over and above of internships. जो student ambassador program है, वो आपके साथ पूरे 4 साल काम करता है. And people who are part of that student ambassador program, and when they graduate out of that, they are a different breed, they are a different caliber, they are a different talent. उन पे Microsoft ने 4 साल काम किया होता है. Excuse me, ठीक है वो remotely चलता है, but today we are operating in a remote world. इसी तरह startups who are spinning up these startups, right? आपको infrastructure की ज़रूरत है, आपको cloud services की ज़रूरत है, आपको LinkedIn के accounts की ज़रूरत है, आपको software की ज़रूरत है, आपको mentoring की ज़रूरत है, guidance की ज़रूरत है. इस वक्त दुनिया का जो सबसे बड़ा startup का hub है, जहाँ पे startups को support या services दी जाती हैं, that is owned by Microsoft. It is called Founders Hub. Any startup can go and enroll in that Founders Hub program and can take a lot of benefit out of this. इसी तरह जो latest technology है, curriculum है, content है, वो faculty को available किया गया है Microsoft Learn for educators में. So tomorrow you want to teach an AI course, you want to teach a cybersecurity course, you want to teach a machine learning course, agentic web course. The course, the content, the curriculum is available for both students and faculty. You don't have to go and reinvent the wheel again and again to do that. और जिस तरह से Zab Fest है, Zab eFest है, 10 साल से हो रहा है. I think for last 25 years we are also doing Imagine Cup. And these platforms, and Imagine Cup is called the Global Olympics of Technology, right? Because 200 plus countries participate in that. और पाकिस्तान पिछले 5 साल से उसकी number 1 participation है. और हम जीते तो नहीं हैं, पर जो टॉप 20 टीम्स आइडेंटिफाई हो रही हैं पिछले 5 साल में, उसमें हर दफ़ा पाकिस्तान की 1 से 2 टीम्स जो हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड टॉप 20 टीम्स में होती हैं. इसका ये मतलब है कि यहाँ पे भी टैलेंट है, यहाँ पे भी अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, काम हो रहा है. Different universities are leveraging that. So when, let's say, you are winning this competition, you are participating in this competition, then take your project to the global avenue and the global stage. With this, I'll pause and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for your insightful words. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker is at the cutting edge of the entertaining and tech landscape. As a product manager and co-founder of Myco, Mr. Zuhair Javed is leading the charge in merging decentralized technologies with content creation and distribution. With a strong background in media marketing and sales, he has built and led nationwide teams, driving impressive growth and innovation. At Myco, Mr. Zuhair is harnessing the power of Web3, blockchain, NFTs, and tokenized economies to empower creators and reward users, fundamentally reshaping the way entertainment works. Please join me in welcoming a true innovator and tech visionary, Mr. Zuhair Javed.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm sure everyone can hear me in the back as well. Perfect. Acha, thank you very much for the quick introduction as well. I've become co-founder at Myco about four and a half years ago. और उससे पहले Zabist का हिस्सा बना हूँ, जो भी काफ़ी सारे लोगों को शायद आज ही पता चला होगा कि 2003 to 2009, not till 2007 actually, I was part of Zabist bachelor's program in computer science. थोड़ा सा टाइम लूँगा इस बात को समझाने के लिए कि मैं जिब्रान की बात से बहुत ज़्यादा एग्री करता हूँ कि हमारे यहाँ एक ज़रूरत है. सर, आई एम सो सॉरी, आई जस्ट प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट. सर ने मेरा फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट रोका था, जिसकी वजह से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनती बंदा बना. मैं आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट दिस. It was the toughest time. The last 2 years that I spent at Zabist were probably the toughest time that I felt in my life. But it brought a huge change in me. और वो change क्या था? वो वही चीज़ था जो जिसकी जिब्रान बात करें. And people at his position, people who are going outside, working at different companies. Myself, I spent 2 years. Our startup is unfortunately or fortunately based out of the United Arab Emirates. दुबई से हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट पहली मिली और उस इन्वेस्टमेंट को लेके हम 3 of the founders were from पाकिस्तान. तो हमने कहा यार टेक ऑफिस पूरा अपना पाकिस्तान में डालते हैं और let's try and take it from there. And we want to tell the world that we are doing all of this from Pakistan. Our biggest investors are all US based. Aptos के नाम से एक company है. They're working with us now for research and development on how the blockchain, how all of the transactions for an OTT platform can be recorded on the blockchain. Now these are different things. Obviously, a lot of the people haven't, accessed this in the past. तो हम इसको कर रहे हैं और इसको आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. But the thing that's most important for you guys to talk about, because skill आप लोगों को 4 साल ये यूनिवर्सिटी ज़रूर बना कर देगी, बट स्किल के साथ साथ जो वो चीज़ें बना रही होती है वो कल्चर और एटीट्यूड बना रही होती है जो कि डायरेक्टली शायद आप लोगों को इतना नहीं फीड किया जा रहा होता. बट इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट द लाइफ आउटसाइड ऑफ योर यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑल यू. नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू बी ग्रेडिंग यू ऑन योर बिहेवियर, ऑन योर एटीट्यूड, not more than whatever is required for HR. But HR एक पार तक के आपको देख रहा है. Whatever you need to do to reach that next level is always going to be dependent on what your take on life is and what you want to do. Pakistan एक ऐसे for a very long time, by the way, इस नेच पे करा हुआ है कि they need something that is going to be out of the box and it's going to take you to the next level. And I feel startups are the place for that to happen. Startups can make that happen very quickly. There's international investment that starts coming in, and that's what you need at this point in time. What we are looking for a very long time is FDI, and I think the biggest source for that could be tech startups. And tech में हम immensely talented हैं. I've been working with a few companies outside of Pakistan as well. They all recognize the talent that Pakistan has in tech. I'm not a talented person in tech. I became a product guy because of my tech background, और आसिम रियाज साहब इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं जान सकते कि मैं tech में कैसा था. But for sure, if a person like me has an understanding, is able to create a product and is able to take the product this far, then I'm sure all of you are much more talented and can take it to the next level. But what's important is for us to have that culture and the attitude. Culture से क्या मुराद है? A lot of the culture was defined by Jibran Sahab as well. But a little bit जो मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि always looking ahead, looking for newer technologies, looking for newer ways of work, researching your articles, reading. हमारी बहुत बुरी आदत ये है कि हम पढ़ते ही नहीं है बिल्कुल. मतलब किताब अगर कोई एग्ज़ाम के लिए आ रहा है तो फिर हम पढ़ें, बट आउटसाइड ऑफ दिस वी जस्ट स्टक इन रील्स. हमारा टिकटॉक बहुत बुरा है, हमारा स्नैपचैट बहुत बुरा है. चाइना, आई विजिट चाइना, उनका टिकटॉक ही डिफरेंट है. The same TikTok app over there shows you completely different things altogether, but that's also algorithms, right? At the end of the day, your TikTok can be like that as well. कि आप भी अपना ये time, you're using it to learn new things, newer things. In the same way that यही पूरा एटीट्यूड आपका पूरा दिन का बनता है कि आप सुबह उठ के आपने क्या करना है, what your plans are you attending exhibitions, are you looking for journals and articles and press releases and stuff like that. So ये सारी चीज़ें हैं that are going to change your culture. And obviously इसमें culture में एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि हम sharing पर भी नहीं believe करते. For example, if I learned something or if I found a platform that I can learn something from, then unfortunately Pakistan में ये कि I'll try to keep it to myself. Whereas I feel around the world, especially because I've been exposed to a lot of Web3 projects and the crypto side, where I've seen that there's a lot of sharing. आपने कोई चीज़ क्रैक कर ली कि मैं पासवर्ड्स यूं के बजाय यूं भी स्टोर करता हूं और मैं फिर भी GDPR कंप्लाइंट रहता हूं, तो फ़ौरन आप दूसरे या तीसरे प्रोजेक्ट को भी जाके बता रहे हैं कि भाई ये दिस इज़ अ गुड वे टू सिक्योर योर पासवर्ड्स एंड स्टिल बी GDPR कंप्लाइंट, दिस कंप्लाइंट, दैट कंप्लाइंट. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है मतलब आपकी शेयरिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन हो रही है, विच ओनली helps you find people where you can share information with and grow your knowledge further. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जिसको I think हमें भी adopt करना चाहिए. और last है attitude. Again, that's also something Gibran mentioned, and I feel 100%. I think attitude is what has brought me. If you feel that I've come some far, I feel attitude is what's brought me this far. And attitude is not dependent on skill. कि अगर आपकी skills नहीं है तो आप फंस जाएंगे, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. अगर आपके पास स्किल्स नहीं भी हैं और आपका एटीट्यूड है तो वो आपको स्किल्स आ सकती हैं एट एनी पॉइंट इन लाइफ. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं 2003 से 9 तक का बता रहा हूँ. इट वाजंट, आई डेफिनेटली वाजंट अ गुड स्टूडेंट, राइट? But attitude is what has brought me this far, and I feel there are a lot of people that were struggling worse than I was at that point in time, and have done great in life as well. So all the best to all of you guys, the ones that are doing this, participating in the competition, the ones that are just, watching to prepare yourselves for next year. All the best to all of you guys, and I'm sure you guys are in very good hands, and wish you all the best again. Thank you very much for having me on the stage.
Thank you so much for your words, Mr. Zohair. Now I call upon stage the President of Zabist, Madam Shanaz Wazir Ali, the Vice President of Academics, Professor Dr. Muhammad Altaf Muqati, the Vice President of Finance, Madam Nasreen Haq, and the Dean of Computing and Engineering Sciences, Dr. Imran Amin, to present the Chief Guest and Guest of Honor with shields as a token of appreciation for being in attendance today.
I know sir for very long.
I know. I just want to once again thank you for the
Thank you very much.
I was just suggesting that when Kemal thinking the suggestion we should set up an occasion for students to interact a lot more with him, which is on the fireside chat. The name also. Practice up gupshup or something with IT. I think that the interaction with students is very important. I know they will interact at the stalls of every project, but I think also in a room like this.
So we'll have another session like this, maybe a little like this.
We are drawing a lot on his time.
Because the only learning which I have with all these interactions is that after the presentation that there are बच्चे कहते हैं unsolicited advice. We give them the mic and ask them
Yeah, that's what we
to ask anything they want. We
Jalan sir has been very kind. It's just one call away.
Yeah.
Jalan sir को phone करते हैं, नहीं
So I think that's let me do that. Isn't that soon? Right after you
इनकी help से भी अच्छे Microsoft में करते हैं। Ambassador अभी बन गए हैं जी Microsoft। जी MOU भी किया है।
Thank you so much indeed.
I don't know. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Really special privilege for an ex-student of even students can be asked to come again to share more.
For sure. इनसे मेरी
What are the
मुलाकात
mistakes you made?
एकरा में हुई।
Right.
इनसे मेरी मुलाकात एकरा में हुई तो मैंने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन करा क्या सर मैं आपका स्टूडेंट हूँ। Then I've told one of his colleagues Rashid Khalid कि उसको everyone knows him in our department.
For sure. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much for
Basically my
2003 I joined with
Right.
से और आसिफ ने आपसे पढ़ा है ना और आसिफ खालिद के साथ के बैच में 2009 में graduate
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. So I think that's it.
Thank you. With that, now I conclude the opening ceremony of the Zabi Fest 2025. I now request the Chief Guest, Madam President, Vice President Academics, Vice President Finance, the faculty and department heads to visit the module stations which have been set up in buildings 100, 153 and 154 so they can observe the competitions taking place and all other activities that have been organized by the Faculty of Computing and Engineering Sciences. After refreshments. Students, please remain seated while Madam President, Professor Dr. Altaf Muqati and they all move towards the stalls and refreshments.